You've poured your blood, sweat, and endless nights into building something real. But why does it still feel like you're running on a treadmill, exhausted, frustrated, and haunted by the fear that all this effort can slip away overnight? You see other millionaire families, quiet ones, not flashing their wealth, yet somehow unbreakable, thriving through crises that would shatter others. What's their secret? It's not just money. It's not fancy offices or flashy investments. It's something far deeper. And every second you hesitate to grasp it, you lose a piece of your legacy. First, the brutal truth. Most family offices crash not because they lose money, but because they lose connection. Between generations, between vision and execution, between who they are and what they want to become. The pain of watching trust erode, the gnawing anger as conflicts fester quietly behind closed doors. This is real. But you can fix this. You must fix this, because behind every fractured family is untapped power, waiting louder than ever. Here's the starting point. Stop confusing wealth management with true family legacy crafting. You don't just manage assets, you architect resilience. Design a culture where each family member, no matter how young or distant, is accountable, engaged, and feels ownership. This isn't optional fluff, it's survival. Start now. Set ruthless clarity around roles and expectations. Write nothing down on paper no one reads. Embed accountability in daily rituals. Have tough conversations with a brutal honesty that stings the soul but fuels growth. Next, understand the toxic trap that blinds most families. Avoiding conflict in the name of harmony. This lies. Silent grudges and unspoken resentments are termites under the foundation. You must create a vessel for conflict that burns old patterns and forges new understanding. Institutionalize regular, raw, and emotionally charged family council meetings. Bring in facilitators who don't sugarcoat, who break through pretenses and expose the ugly so you can heal faster. This process is messy, uncomfortable, and yet your only salvation. And here's a step most miss. Aggressively cultivate diverse perspectives inside your family office. Surround your core with outsiders, people who don't share your history, your biases, your blind spots. This isn't about lip service to diversity. It's about survival through raw, honest challenge. Bring in advisors who ask the hardest questions, who smash groupthink, who push your investments and strategy into places you never dreamed possible. Silence the yes men. Break the echo chamber. Now the financial game. Don't blindfold yourself with convention. Millionaire families who thrive quietly don't just diversify assets. They diversify power, influence, and knowledge. Strategic globalization is their weapon. Spread your investments and partnerships across continents, industries, and even ideologies. But don't scatter aimlessly. Build bridges to innovators, disruptors, and rule breakers worldwide who are rewriting the future as you watch. Use your capital not for safety, but for transformation. Invest boldly, with a ruthless eye on what's possible, not what's comfortable. Remember this relentless truth. Legacy dies the moment you cling to old maps, old rules, and old fears. You must live in relentless becoming, burning the outdated to illuminate the new. Demand growth from yourself and from every node in your family network. No catering to comfort zones. No tolerating mediocrity disguised as tradition. In the silence of your wealth, wield an unbreakable inner fire. Connect with those rare few outside your immediate circle who share the hunger to remake reality. Build networks where trust is earned daily, where collective wisdom shatters isolation. Alone you are fragile. Together, unstoppable. Start today. Tear down illusions of what family offices should be. Your family's survival and thriving depend on it. No excuses, no delays. This is your moment to rise. Quietly, fiercely, forever.